Welcome to Best Choice. The best Diablo Multitool Blades is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools in any DIYer or professional's arsenal, offering unparalleled precision and efficiency across a wide range of cutting, scraping, and sanding tasks, making them an essential upgrade for anyone looking to tackle projects with greater ease and superior results. Number 5. LEILUO 158 PCS Universal Oscillating Tool Blade Kit. Tackle a wide range of cutting and grinding tasks with this comprehensive accessory kit. It's designed to meet both your daily needs and precision work requirements. Experience superior wood cutting with our Japanese-designed teeth. These blades offer enhanced sharpness and durability for a smoother, more efficient cutting experience. For tasks requiring deep cuts, our titanium-coated blades are the perfect solution. Their unique semicircular design ensures stability and better material surface conformity. Achieve greater accuracy in your work. Integrated scale marks on the blades and sandpaper help you with precise cutting and surface polishing. Keep your workspace tidy and your accessories protected. Each set includes a reusable storage bag for easy organization and to save space in your toolbox. Our blades feature a universal interface, making them compatible with most quick-change and non-quick-change oscillating tools. Please check compatibility details for specific brands. What we like. This extensive kit offers a massive 158 pieces, ensuring you have the right blade for almost any task. Its universal fit means it works with most major brands, and the included storage bag keeps everything organized. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution with maximum versatility and value, this is the set for you. What people say. These blades are incredibly versatile and cut through a variety of materials with ease, including wood, plastic, and metal. The quick-release system makes changing blades on my multi-tool a breeze, saving me valuable time on job sites. I was impressed by the durability of these blades. They held up well even after extended use on tough demolition projects. Number 4. COMOWARE 55 PCS Professional Oscillating Saw Blades. Introducing the COMOWARE 55 PCS Oscillating Saw Blades, your ultimate solution for versatile cutting tasks. This professional set is designed for durability and precision. Crafted from high-speed steel and high-carbon steel, these blades are built for exceptional wear resistance. Their special manufacturing ensures they remain durable for extended use. This kit includes 55 oscillating tool blades perfect for cutting wood, soft metal, and plastic. They are ready to meet a variety of needs in workshops or at home. Our quick-release blades feature a universal system, making them compatible with a wide range of popular oscillating tools. You can rely on them to fit your existing equipment seamlessly. Achieve accurate cuts effortlessly thanks to the built-in length markers in both inches and centimeters. This special design ensures you get the perfect measurement every time. With 55 blades in this pack, you have plenty for professional workshop projects or everyday household tasks. They offer reliable performance wherever you need them. What we like. This 55-piece set focuses on durability with its high-speed steel and high-carbon steel construction. It's designed for precision cutting with built-in length markers for accuracy. If you need a reliable set for frequent wood, soft metal, and plastic cutting tasks and value accuracy, this is a great choice. What people say. These blades are designed for fast and efficient cutting. The Diablo Multitool Blades offer excellent durability and longevity. They are compatible with most oscillating multi-tools on the market. Number 3. AVID Power 112 PCS Oscillating Saw Blades Kit. Introducing the AVID Power 112-piece Oscillating Saw Blades Kit, designed to enhance your tool's capabilities. This comprehensive set is compatible with most major brands, offering a universal interface for seamless integration. This kit includes a diverse range of sharp and tough blades, perfect for cutting wood, plastics, and metal. It also comes with sandpaper and pads for sanding and scraping tasks, making it ideal for home repair and renovation. Crafted from high-quality materials like high-carbon steel, HSS, bimetallic, and stainless steel, these blades are built for durability. They resist bending and wear, ensuring a long service life even when encountering tough materials. Featuring a quick-release design, these blades can be changed in seconds, saving you valuable time. The curved edge and stable design reduce vibration, allowing for safer and more efficient operation. Achieve accurate cuts every time with markings in both inches and centimeters on the blades. These blades are perfect for fine manufacturing and detailed work, ensuring you get the exact size you need. Our blades are designed with a universal interface, ensuring compatibility with most oscillating tools from major brands. The included C-clips further expand its compatibility, making it a versatile addition to your toolkit. What we like. With 112 pieces, this kit covers a wide range of applications including cutting, sanding, and scraping across wood, plastics, and metal. The quick-release design makes blade changes fast and efficient. If you're a DIYer or homeowner tackling various repair and renovation jobs and want to save time on tool changes, this set is ideal. What people say. These blades are designed to cut through various materials with ease, making them versatile for different projects. The durability of these multi-tool blades is impressive, as they hold up well even after extensive use. The quick change mechanism allows for fast and easy blade swaps, saving time and effort during operation. Number 2. PETOX 159 PCS Oscillating Saw Blades Kit. Introducing the PETOX 159-piece Oscillating Saw Blade Kit, your ultimate solution for a wide range of cutting and sanding tasks. This comprehensive set is designed to help you accomplish any job efficiently, whether you're in the workshop or at home. Experience seamless integration with your existing tools. Our blades feature a universal interface and include extra adapters, ensuring compatibility with over 95% of oscillating tools on the market, including popular brands like DeWalt and Ryobi. Crafted from high-quality high-carbon steel and alloy steel, these blades are built for durability. They are 50% harder than ordinary blades, offering superior wear resistance and a long service life for even the toughest cutting jobs. Achieve perfect cuts every time with our precision cutting design. The integrated scales in both inches and centimeters allow for faster, more accurate measurements, while the specially designed long wavy teeth ensure clean cuts in wood and plastics. PETOX is dedicated to providing you with superior products and exceptional service. We stand behind our oscillating tool blades and are always here to assist you with any questions or concerns, ensuring your complete satisfaction. What we like. This 159-piece set boasts titanium-coated blades for enhanced durability and includes extra adapters for even wider compatibility. It's designed for efficient cutting and sanding across various materials. If you need a vast selection of blades with improved longevity and want to ensure compatibility with a very broad range of tools, this is a strong contender. What people say. The Diablo Multitool Blades are designed for fast and efficient cutting through various materials. These blades feature a durable construction that ensures long-lasting performance, even under demanding use. The universal arbor system allows for quick and easy blade changes across different multi-tools. Number 1. Diablo Demo Demon Bimetal Oscillating Tool Blade. Experience unparalleled precision with our bimetal oscillating tool blade. Its optimized tooth design minimizes vibration, ensuring fast, smooth, and clean cuts for all your detailed work. Engineered for industrial-grade performance, this blade is the ideal choice for contractors and serious DIY enthusiasts. Tackle any cutting task with confidence and efficiency. Enjoy broad compatibility with most oscillating multi-tools available. This blade is designed for wide usability, fitting seamlessly into your existing toolkit. Its compact and lightweight design makes it incredibly easy to handle. Effortlessly access tight spaces and execute detailed cuts with its 1 to 1/4-inch blade. Built to last, this blade features an ultra-hardened cutting edge for superior durability. Expect up to 5 times longer life compared to standard blades in demanding cutting applications. What we like. This 3-pack features bimetal construction optimized for clean wood cutting, offering industrial performance and up to 5x longer life. Its compact size is great for tight spaces. If you're a professional contractor or a serious DIYer who frequently works with wood and requires precision, speed, and long-lasting blades, this specialized set is the one to consider. What people say. The Diablo Multitool Blades are a great addition to my arsenal. They cut through wood and metal with ease. These blades are very durable and last a long time, even with heavy use. The quick change system makes switching between blades fast and simple. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.